bring in the management at NBCC. NBCC, by the way, as our viewers are well aware of, is the largest public sector company in the construction space in the country. The stock has done phenomenally well. I mean, I think it's up, it's risen almost about 10 times or so over the last little over 12 months actually. So just phenomenal. Dr. Anup Kumar Mittal is CMD with NBCC. He's joining us from Delhi right now. Dr. Mittal, thanks very much for your time. Good morning. Prashant this side. You know, I want to focus on what is NBCC got in terms of the order book that it has right now, the work that you've already been awarded, because fiscal 15 did not really turn out as one expected. Expectations were high, I guess, and the actual delivery fell short. But I'd just like to just first understand for our viewers, what is the situation right now, the works that you already have been awarded?
You see, right now our outstanding order book is in the range of 20,000 crore rupees, which does not include some projects like recently we bagged DDA project and some more projects like border road organization work, because these projects have not been included because we have not got financial approval and drawings approval from local bodies. So when I'm saying 20,000 crore rupees outstanding order book, that means the works which are either on ground or likely to be started very soon. This is situation of order book, and this in this last financial year, the current financial year, we have added almost more than 10,000 rupees order book. As far as delivery is concerned, if you see the journey of NBCC, the actual growth of NBCC at this stage is a story of say 12 months or say 18 months. So converting order book into revenue and at ground, it takes some time in construction. We require local bodies approval and financial approval, then appointment of agencies. So it almost take 1 year time. So actual revenue generation you will see in next fiscal year.
Okay. Okay, let's just tackle the basics first. Dr. Mittal, do you undertake actual construction work, or you largely manage the project?
You see, NBCC primarily is a construction company. We operate in 3 verticals. One is EPC contract, second is project management consultancy, a third is real estate. So in case of EPC contract business, we undertake entire construction activities ourselves through our machinery, through our labor, through our staff. And as far as project management consultancy is concerned, we outsource most of the work, not 100%, but 70–80% work we outsource to agencies. And in real estate, again, it's a mix. Sometimes we do ourselves, sometimes we offload. So it's a totally very unique model of operation which NBCC do.
So out of the 20,000 crores, which is the outstanding order book, not including some of the things that you mentioned earlier, can one say EPC is the biggest, the chunkiest portion of that total order book?
No, no, PMC is the biggest. Almost 70–75% revenue is coming from PMC business and project management consultancy, and about 15% business is coming from our real estate business, and remaining 7–8% from EPC. EPC is a very specialized works we do, like chimneys, cooling tower, power plants. So our main focus and work is in PMC business.
So no, so that was my question when I asked you.
Yeah.
Whether you undertake construction yourself, or so majority of the actual work is undertaken by vendors that you give orders to, right? Sub-vendors, etc. Majority. You of course undertake some of the work, but
That's
as a
right.
percentage of your overall
That's
business,
right.
it's right. Okay. So in a way, you're asset light, right? You don't have to have a large roll of laborers on your on the company's payrolls, not a lot of equipment. You're in that sense asset light. Is that a fair description?
That's right. That's right.
Okay. And this is 20,000 crores is all primarily government work, sir? Or there is private work as well, private sector as well?
It's almost 100% government works except real estate business, which is again, I mean, on government land we generate housing and commercial. So you can say our total business is with government only.
Right, right, right. No, I mean, you know, I was in Delhi recently, and on the ring road, people who are familiar with ring road, I was passing through and I could see the large construction activity going on with big boards saying with the NBCC name on it. So that I'm assuming is a residential project, right? This is, I think, near the South Extension area.
It's a really, yes, you are absolutely right. It's a very interesting project. It's a development on 100-acre land, which is Government of India's land, and this is a redevelopment project where 2,200 houses built in early 40s or 50s were there, and we demolished those houses, and now we are constructing almost 5,000 houses and 1.5 million square feet office area along the ring road. So this entire complex is about $1 billion construction project. NBCC has been given this project by Government of India on PMC basis, and we are getting 10% agency charges on the total construction cost, and NBCC will maintain this complex for next 30 years, for which we will get some revenue also.
Right, right. So, okay, and this is already in the 20,000 crore existing order backlog, right? This is $1 billion, but this is part of the 20,000 crore number.
This is in 20,000 crore, yes. Absolutely right. One more thing in this project is being financed by selling part of this property by NBCC only. Means 1.5 million square feet office complex we are leasing out to government department and PSUs, and we are collecting revenue from them, one-time revenue, and that revenue is being used for construction of this complex and maintenance for 30 years. So, I mean, in absolute terms, government is not investing any money on this project. Rather, government is getting 4,500 houses, which is almost 7 times more area than what they had earlier.
Right, right. Okay, so the way that's going to be done is obviously better, efficient utilization of the property, and I guess higher rise buildings, right? So that's how you'll be able to construct more.
Definitely.
I just want to understand. So this is a Delhi government project, is it, or this is a central government project?
No, it's not. It's a central government project. I think we are not doing many projects for Delhi government except 1 or 2 projects. All projects in Delhi are either central government project or PSU projects.
PSU projects, okay. So I just like to understand this, since PMC is the biggest, project management consultancy is the largest chunk of your business, how does it work? So the central government will approach you, they will say, okay, this is a 100-acre land, and this is what we want to do. There are 2,000 houses, we'd like you to construct 4,500, 5,000 houses, and the project, you said, will fund itself. Just very simply explain the entire thing to our viewers, sir. How would it work? I mean, how is it going to fund itself? And you said 10% was the margin, operating profit margin, but just take us step by step through the entire thing.
You see, generally what happens, government identify the property which is, depleted, not in good condition, unserviceable, and NBCC do total due diligence and prepare the DPR, detailed project report. And the fundamental is that the revenue part, we have to suggest how revenue can be generated from that project, and the entire responsibility right from concept to commissioning, including marketing, sale of the property, NBCC has to undertake. Or NBCC get certain amount of fee for their efforts. In this case, say we are getting 10% agency charges, which includes all our efforts, profit and margin. So this is the principle on which government allowed NBCC all these works.
Right. So 10% is the revenue that you will make, basically, right? It comes to you.
10%, yes, 10% money will come to us, and total revenue, say construction cost is 5,000 crore rupees, and we get 500 crore rupees as our profit or whatever margin, and revenue in our balance sheet will be booked 5,500 crore rupees.
Right, right. And you will also, for maintaining the project for 30 years, which is the case here, you will get a fee as well through the life of those, during the period of that 30 years. Maintenance, there will be some formula worked out for that.
Yes, as per prevailing rate, we get about 22% agency charge instead of 10% in case of maintenance. So say every year maintenance cost is for this kind of complex is 50 crore rupees. So we'll get 22% of 52 crore rupees as our agency charges, and the money required for maintenance will keep from the revenue generated out of the sale of the project. So, I mean, in total terms, there is no deficiency or any requirement of money from government. So, entire money is always available with NBCC in advance.
Okay, okay. And this is the nature of most of the PM's project management work that you undertake? I mean, this is the basic construct.
No. No. This is, we call this is a redevelopment project, and in project management project, revenue generation is not responsibility of NBCC. That money comes from Government of India budget. For example, suppose some police station or police complex is to be made anywhere in the country. So government allot money to that project, and that get transferred to NBCC on the progress basis, and NBCC performs their duty as project management consultant. So revenue generation part is not there.
Right. And what kind of margins would you make there in a typical constructing a police colony type of a situation? In a typical average margins?
In those projects, yes. In those projects, we get around 7 to 10% agency charges, and second, government pays us advance 10% to 25%. That depends on the project to project to NBCC. That's the procedure.
Sorry, I missed the last one. You said 10% or 25%. What is that?
10% to 25%. In some cases 10%, in some cases maybe 15%, in some cases 25%. It is short, duration of the contract is short, they pay us 25% also.
Right. Okay. But it could be 10 as well. So it's pretty similar to the redevelopment work margins that you make, which you described earlier. And on EPC work, sir, which is small, which is about you said about 7% of your order backlog. What kind of margins would you make?
Generally, we make about 10% to 14% margin, but it's a EPC contract. You cannot be sure that you will 100% make the margin, but generally history says that margins are 10 to 14%, whereas in PMC contract it's certain that you will get 7% or 10% margin. There is no question of loss or any risk.
Right. I'm being told to wrap the conversation up, but I can't let you go without asking one last question, sir. What is the quantum or the visibility in terms of work from the government that you have in all these three areas as you head into this new financial year, fiscal 16?
You're asking about fresh order book in 16-17? No,
yes,
15-16?
The visibility that you have, that you've been sounded out for, and at some point you would actually get these orders, get these works, and you can book them.
You see, I'm expecting that in 15-16 financial year we may add another 10,000 to 12,000 order book. So by the end of March 2016, our outstanding order book should be in the range of 30,000 crore rupees. So this is my expectation. And in 15-16, my target of revenue top line is, of course, government has fixed about 4,600 crore rupees or so. But my internal target, it should be more than 5,000 crore rupees.
Right. That is you're saying 5,000, more than 5,000 crores revenue in fiscal 16.
Is it 15-16? Yes, that's right.
Okay. Okay, all right. And would you have a profit expectation as well? Net profit?
Yes, yes. Naturally, last year, I mean, 14 we registered about 257 crore PAT, and this year also, I mean, some amount of profit will be there. Profit definitely will be there.
Right. No, this year expectation is about 270 odd crores or so. So fiscal 16, and that's why I said fiscal 15 kind of lagged behind what was the general expectation. For fiscal 16, what could the number be as execution picks up on the existing order book as well? The fiscal 16 profit number.
You see, I mean, this should be, I mean, in 16, profit should be definitely more than the profit will, I mean, gain in fiscal year 15 or 14. So I can't tell you the exact number about profit, but definitely it will be more than that.
Okay, 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 all right. Now I was just trying to understand whether it will be in the 10% range or it could be larger, 10% like in 15 over 14 or larger than that, 16 over 15. Anyway, sir, we'll leave it at that. I'd love for you to come back again when you get the time, sir. Would love to discuss more of NBCC in more detail. Thank you very much for your time. Great talking to you. Good luck.